Embark on a bold new journey in Rising Tide, the upcoming expansion to civilization beyond Earth. Rising Tide introduces new ways to explore, colonize, and conquer as you shape a new vision for humanity on an alien planet. The remaining survivors of Earth fell in a vicious power struggle for the planet's last remaining resources. From this turmoil, new factions arose and took to the stars in search of new worlds to call their own. One such faction is Alpha-La, led by the cunning Arshia Kishk. Alpha-La are a determined and self-reliant people who place community and brotherhood as chief values of their society and strive to uphold the honor of those that came before them. With new factions come new technologies. For the first time in a civilization game, you now have the ability to expand your dominion to the seas, build floating settlements, harvest new resources, and command new units like patrol boats and submarines, as well as enhanced amphibious versions of explorers and colonists. But expand cautiously, as ocean cities are more susceptible to attacks from neighboring civilizations and sea creatures alike. Deadly rippers and macaras lurk within the ocean depths, ready to strike, while the monstrous Hydra coral has the power to stop armies in their tracks. From the depths of the vast oceans to the fiery peaks of violent volcanoes, Rising Tide is breathing new life into the look and feel of the worlds you will call home. New primordial worlds of fire and ash present new challenges for civilizations that must work together to build their home in an otherwise inhospitable land. Though harsh, these new worlds contain valuable artifacts to uncover. Artifacts can be collected in a variety of ways and can now be used to provide unique benefits depending on whether they are opened individually or used in groups to unlock greater rewards. This was just a glimpse into the ever-changing landscape of Rising Tide. In Part 2, we'll explore additional factions, new approaches to diplomacy and trade, and more of the exciting new worlds found in civilization beyond Earth, Rising Tide.